Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Taz Vibes. I'm Mumtaz. I am super excited to create a Alia Bhatt look from the movie called Gangubai. Okay, it's a Gangubai makeup look. If you have seen Gangubai movie, then in that movie, Alia Bhatt is looking stunning. Totally different. If you have seen her movies before, and if you have seen that movie, the look is totally different. So this is my first inspired makeup look. I have worn white kurta, so I have also stretched white dupatta for this inspired look. So if you see in the movie, Alia Bhatt has wore many junk jewelry. So I have taken these earrings, oxidized earrings. Main part of this look is this nose ring. Let's get started. First, we are going to moisturize. I'm using this Cetaphil. Now I'm using SQ oil based primer. I'm going to drop a little bit of primer on my face. I'm using Swiss Beauty Concealer palette. I'm going to taking the orange shade from the palette. I'm going to cover my dark spots. I'm using TFF concealer here in the shade 03. I'm using wet Inside Cosmetic Beauty Blender. I'm blending all over my face and neck. I'm going to cover my under eyes too. I'm using Maybelline Fit Me loose powder to set my face to avoid creasing. Now I'm doing my eyebrows. First we'll comb the eyebrows. For foundation I'm using L'Oreal Paris Infallible 24 Hours Fresh Wear Foundation. I'm picking very little quantity and dotting all over my face, and with the brush I'm going to blend. Don't forget your neck. Using the same Maybelline loose powder, I'm going to just set my face. For eyebrows, I'm taking Blue Heaven eyebrow pencil and drawing a thick eyebrows. I'm using Makeup Fixer from Faces Canada and wait till it dries. For blush, I'm using Sugar Counter D4's Face Palette. From the same palette, I'm going to use the bronzer and contour my nose slightly. I'm going to draw a thick kajal using Colorbar kajal. I'm using this Swiss Beauty 2-in-1 pot. I'm using the eyeliner gel to lock the kajal. It gives a neat and clean look, and to get that bold eyes, I'm taking Inside Cosmetic eyeliner and drawing a very thin line to give the eye shape. Using a curler, I'm going to curl my eyelashes. I'm using Maybelline New York Lash Lift Mascara. And I'm applying on 2 to 3 coats. I'm using Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in the shade Overseer. With the same lipstick I'm going to draw the bindi. Here comes the difficult part because I don't know how to apply a bindi and I'm trying hard to draw a circle. So I think this is fine. I was not happy with the lipstick, so I'm removing it and applying the other one. I'm using the NY Baker lipstick. I'm going to name the shade in the description box. If you can see in the movie, Alia Bhatt has a mark on the right side below the eye, so I'm going to try to draw a mark there. Makeup is done, so I'm now doing my hair. I'm going to curl my hairs and come back. Now I have curled my hairs and now I'm going to wear the jewelry. I'm going to wear my earrings, a choker, and the main part is a nose ring. So this is my final look, guys. I have tried my best to create this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, like, subscribe and click the bell icon. Bye and take care.